installing a ductless, or not ductless, duct unit upstairs in this homeowner's house. Trying to get it done quick. Just started off, so still got a little while to go. Getting everything set up, getting all the material out of the vans and getting ourselves situated. But yeah, shouldn't be too long. We got a nice open attic up there. Pretty easy to get to. Got a couple guys here, so shouldn't be too long.
What up? We are back out of quarantine. Technically not, but we're here. We're doing a new AC cut-in, which the people have been waiting from the beginning of the season to do, which means new everything. They never had AC before. We're cutting the vents in, mounting line sets, adding units, doing it all from scratch. So it's a pretty interesting job. And it's right behind the shop, so we're happy with that. And it's good to have the camera guys back. Welcome back, boys.
So I used to be a service technician out in the field doing trouble calls. Changed pace a little bit. We're out doing a project manager now, so going out, specing new equipment, designing systems, and setting these guys up for all the equipment. So that's the new gig. And the shiny shoes.
All right. Well, since this whole quarantine, since the busy season, well, quarantine started before our busy season, so we added a few team members. We got Derek, who's going to be the new Eric Eats. No, I'm just kidding, Eric. We added Brad, which is upstairs. You'll get to know him. Simon is our summer help, Avatech, soon to be a graduate. He's a senior at Avatech this year. We got a new girl in the office, which I'm sure you'll see in other videos. And we're busy, so we're at the peak of our season and things are going. The weather's cooperating, meaning more heat, more cooling, and everybody's safe. You know, our families are safe. Everybody around us is safe. So can't ask for much more than that. You know, it's so far it's a crazy year, but as long as everybody's safe, that's a positive thing. So over and out.
Maybe there. Yeah.
Getting our circuits over for the new air handler and the low voltage from the condenser. Wide open attic, nice attic to work in. It's not a tiny little attic, so I don't think this one will be too bad. We'll see though.
So right now we're running the electrical circuit for the new air handler that we're putting in today. And just had to move a couple breakers around just because of the smaller panel. But besides that, this is pretty much it. I'm just tying it in, and then I'm gonna go work outside. Can't complain.
You don't think so?
Staking some line set. Yeah, it's gonna be like 90 something today, so we're trying to get the AC running, so as we're building the ducts, it'll be blowing cool air on our face, you know. Imagine like putting ducts off that end here where the fan is, with the AC just blowing you right in the face. So it'll be nice as you build. You could just be blasted with cold air.
I'm not going for pro though.
Come on.
Have fun.
Good brand, man. That could live on forever. You know what I mean? I see it. All right, get that PVC primed right there.
Whole thing?
Yeah, get it primed and get the glue right there. Turkey and cheese, lettuce, tomato, mayo.
Taking all the nitrogen stuff away because we don't need it anymore because the line set's holding pressure. So I was just letting that leak out because it's not going to hurt the environment. Then we're going to hook the vacuum pumps up to it, get all vacuumed down so it's ready for refrigerant to go in. And then should be all set. Then we just gotta start running the ductwork. Looking pretty good so far.
What are you doing, Calvin?
I'm just doing a plain old disconnect. Not real fancy. Just when one of our service techs come to do like services and stuff like that, instead of the customer, you know, if the customer's not home, they just come here, pull it, and they can work on this safely without getting shocked.
Good old classic disconnect, huh?
Yep, can never go wrong with the old reliable.
Trying to get some AC onto this place because it's probably 140 up here. We just broke for lunch. We got the drain line in, trying to crank this baby on so as we build we could have some AC blowing in our face. So at least that's the idea. These fans are blowing 180 degree temperatures rather than nice breeze.
Pressure testing is when we check a system. If there's any leaks in the system, make sure that it's all sealed up, no refrigerant's going to leak out of it. And then vacuum pulls the moisture out of the system because refrigerant and moisture do not get along. So it's getting all the moisture out of the system so it runs more efficiently and everything's happy in there.
I know. Once it gets about half a pound, you gotta start slowing down. Sitting in front of the refrigerator. Cool air is blasting. It's a good place to be. Feeling out all this ductwork, come down. We're gonna take a hard left and then run right straight down the attic with a main trunk line. A lot left to do yet, but at least the AC's on, so in the morning it'll be nice, you know. Even now it's a little more comfortable up here.
Sunrise, sunset.
So yesterday after you left, we got the main trunk done. Just basically connected and stuff like that. We still got to tape off the seams and mastic it so it seals it. And then after we do that, we just got to run all the flex, cut the holes in the ceilings for the vents, and then run everything, and then that should pretty much be it. So hopefully today, hopefully be the last day. It's pretty open in here. Hopefully we can keep it cool for a little bit before it starts getting real hot. It's a lot better than last night or yesterday when we left. It's really hot in here.
So if you put the 5-inch on equal, so that'll come off the, look at the 16 by 10 or whatever that, or 18 by 10.
Sold it to Kivino, sold it to Daryl.
We're adding vents. As you can see, it's a messy job, but somebody's got to do it. So these go up in the ceiling. It's kind of a 1, 2, 3 system for air conditioning. If it's heating, you got to use a totally different style vent, but for air conditioning, these work out great. They got little ears that flip out on the sheetrock, and then they catch between the sheetrock to hold work them in, if that's what you want to call it. We love them because they're fast and easy and not messy at all. It's a big boy drill. Cuts it, you could adjust these cutters to make different diameters. So we're gonna cut that diameter for this size hole. Bang, right up in the ceiling, and we're good to go. We already pre-marked the hole where this is gonna be, so I already got a center point. So all we're gonna do is drill up, hope for the best. That's all you can do. Look at that. Still some dust, but not a lot. And this goes up there. Nice sheetrock pizza. Little remnants of some ice through the years on here too.
But there's always, you know,
job is within an hour of completion, other than Simon making us laugh for about a half hour, and then he totally reversed those roles and screwed something up, so we're pissed at him again. But other than that, it's a good day. We'll be out of here by 4:30. It's nice. We are another AC job done. So what happened on this job is we did, like I was mentioning before in the other videos, we did a central cut-in. What that means is there was not a lick of ductwork or any equipment on the job. We cut each individual vent into every room that was needed with a return, mounted the equipment, piped it all in, wired it, you know, whole shebang. So this whole house is now 100% has central AC, and another customer happy. So we are good to go.